Let's see a little mini quiz. And Shubhadeep, you can answer, or if anybody wants to answer. And the question that we have is that you have a equal to brackets 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the type of this variable? What do you think is the type of the variable?
Integer.
What is the type of A?
Tuple.
Type of A is a tuple. What do you think is the type of B?
Integer.
Type of B is an integer. What is the type of C?
String.
Type of C is a string. Does everybody understand why type of C is a string?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the type of D?
Tuple.
Tuple.
Type of D. Type of D. What is the type of E and type of F?
Integer. Integer.
Type of E is tuple.
Tuple.
Integer.
How many people say tuple? How many people say integer? Integer. Two people for integers, or 2 people for tuple?
No, I'm for tuple.
You're for tuple. Okay.
Tuple.
Okay.
I'm for
Okay.
integer.
Well, what happens is that 2, 3 is a tuple, but E was assigned to 2 and F was assigned to 3. So the type of E is an integer and type of F is the integer. But 2, 3 as a whole, or E, F as a whole is a tuple, right? So it was a trick question. All right.